Hey guys, we're in English today. We're with Ice Moto and Journey. I showed them the Austrian forest. I switched to English now, so I'm an English YouTuber right now. I've got the Swedish guys with me in Austria, and I'm showing them the hood. Let's have some fun today.
It's a very beautiful waterfall.
We are all on 450s, and these guys are 60.
Yeah. You're like our local guy here.
Every time you look back, both of these guys are in the wheelie. You scraped?
Yes.
Yeah.
Very good.
Very nice, very good. Everywhere you look. So we're going to film some clips now. I know a pretty nice road for them both, so I think they would be really amazed to see them. I mean, they're amazed by the normal view, I'd say, already, and seeing the crazy views. It's even crazy for me. So I think they will have fun riding these roads. And definitely feel free to write down in the comments what you feel about me talking English. I mean, my TikTok and my Instagram is still in German, but I figured the English content would be nicest to post on YouTube, and I think that's the way I go now. One thing I don't think they're used to are the lots of speeding cameras we have here in Austria, because there is one, and we every 1 kilometer is a speeding camera. It's really crazy. Sometimes even more. They did such a horrible job, like when they created this road. Whoa! It's such a shitty road. Ice Motor doing the stand-up wheels back there all the time. Holy shit! Every time I look in my small little mirrors here, I see him standing on his bike and doing some combos or something. So I just need to get some air in my back tire, because it's losing a bit. So every once a month I have to refill the air in my tire. And I think it's time right now, because we're going on a very curvy, very full, I don't know the word, road after. And I don't want to ride it with that much air pressure on me. Gas, air.
Air, yeah.
Wow. Yeah. Alright, I had 0.9 bar in it. Yeah, I told you, I really need air. Oh yeah, I will put some gas in it too. Okay, it was like 2/3 empty. Like if it's completely empty, I have like 7 or 8 liters to refuel, and it was like 5 liters right now, so it was a good idea to refuel right now. Ice Motor is calling you an angry bird.
Yeah, he says I look like an angry bird without the helmet.
Yeah, you do. It's a whole different feeling of riding the bike right now with so much more air. I went from 0.9 to 1.9. It's a different work. These guys are wheeling back there again. It's crazy all the time. Earlier today when we started riding, I was pretty pissed because my brakes on my Suron didn't work out. I have a Suron light gear as well, and nothing worked out. I had no braking pressure, and I've changed it right. I tried to change it to ultra big brakes to hit some one-handers or something, but there's no way. It really wasn't working well, and I was so pissed. Oh, my tire slipped. Yeah, this is crazy, man. Oh! His plates! He's about to losing his plates second time on this trip, I think. Either he don't know or he doesn't care. Yeah! It's okay. Yeah, he doesn't care. Alright. He's just standing up again. Okay. Oh, I'm kinda anxious now because my tire slipped earlier. Yeah, I keep wheeling. It kinda looks like if you're using a tissue and you're just crumbling it and you throw it away. Yeah, that's exactly how his plates look. Or if someone is putting his foot in there. I don't know. To go first again, so there you guys know where we are going. That's the lake I was talking about. Fun fact about this road: if you go further down it, some place there, I've had my speed record with my bike I had when I was 16 years old. I don't think I would even be riding today if these guys weren't around, because we were riding like 6 hours yesterday. I could show you some clips where we went yesterday. It's pretty nice. So if you're in Austria sometime, just hit me up. I could show you those roads. You just have to pay me $1.5 grand, so I will show you those roads. I'm just kidding. I'll do it for free, of course. I'm kind of worried because I lost my second Insta360 battery, so I only have one battery. I don't know how long this video will be, but I wasn't able to buy a new one in this time because I think I lost it 4 or 5 days ago. It kind of sucks, but it is what it is. I feel like it's really weird to speak English, but at the same time, like I'm speaking with them too on English all the time, because they wouldn't understand me if I'm talking German. So I think it's kind of okay. I'm just thinking on English right now and talking, and everything's good. But I think for future videos when I'm with my Austrian or my German guys, I think it's pretty weird to talk in English. So I think I will mainly do some extra YouTube videos and take you on general trips and not do the I don't know. Let's see. You could just leave a follow and you will see too. What you're saying to the view?
Very amazing.
It's amazing here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's completely different if you compare it to Sweden.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
It's like different to where we went yesterday as well, right?
Yeah, it's like grassy too.
If you go in this direction, the mountains stop.
Yeah.
Like if we at the gas station, if you go like 10 more minutes in this direction, there are no mountains anymore. Yeah, we will go to Germany right now.
Are we going into Germany?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, let's go to Germany.
In this rare occasion, you can see Ice Moto fixing his plates.
Yeah. Not his natural habitat.
In not his natural habitat, in my natural habitat. Okay, our journey will continue. That's like the last Austrian village right here. Lots of parking spots to go hiking in these mountains. It's pretty beautiful mountains right here. And if we leave this behind, we will be out of Austria. Yeah, almost out of Austria. We will be officially in Austria, but there's no one left in Austria. And then we will see each other back at the border. Yeah, let's see some skills, Ice Moto. Yeah. I've told them there are mountain roads ahead. I think I think they got what I told them they will get. These mountain roads. This guy is crazy. These stunts he's doing. Oh, I want to pop a wheelie myself. This German border right there. And we're in Germany now.
We're in Germany now?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. I think it's just spamming this road right now. Trying to rest his bike while coastering. It looks great. Both of them guys are wheeling again. Tour guide Patrick gave them some cultural advice on these beautiful mountains here. We are going up this pretty famous Sudterfeld road now. Most of the German guys will know this road because of Auf Streife. It's like a TV show where they follow police along for the day, and we will watch out for this road now. You really have to be careful and go slow. But when you're doing so, it's really a nice road to drive and to visit and to look and yeah, everything. Like that's the road that we seen from down there. We were just down there, and you can pretty much see the whole road going up this mountain. It's still a nice road to drive, even going the speed limit. Yeah. Alright, we're done we're done taking pictures. We blocked the road for long enough, and we have to ride back home in the sunset, so we won't arrive in the dark. I like how he's every time we start riding, he just pushes his bike and then hops on it. It's like a nice, yeah, never mind. It's like a nice detail. I'm kind of worried to, I don't know, scare off the Austrian guys who stayed because of the Austrian dialect. But I feel really good talking English on YouTube or in this video right now. I mean, it's probably because of the Swedish guys behind me, but I still feel pretty good. Ice in Stjärnmoto, if you see this video, thanks for the nice memories I've made with you, and thanks for kind of motivating me again to start with English YouTube and with YouTube as well. I really have to stick to this right now. As soon as I hear him coming, I mess up. That was a nice one, holy shit! Back on the bumpy road. Bum, 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 bum. So I'd say thank you for watching my first English YouTube video. I'm just bringing these guys home right now so they can eat their chicken nuggets, and once we're done I think I'm going to sleep. I've ridden so much bike yesterday and today, my legs low-key hurt. But thank you for watching. Just leave me a comment if you like the English version or if you prefer the German version. But I think I'm low-key onto sticking to the English version. Also text some video ideas or things you're interested in the comments so I can answer them. Maybe make a video around it. I have a 150 as well, 2-stroke, Sura Light B as well. We could go enduro driving on these mountains here. I have a Honda CRF as well, so we can go visit the MX track with a 450. I'm open to all of these. Write in the comments what you want to see, and write in the comments where you are from. I'm figuring most of you guys are from Austria. I'm figuring most of you guys are from Austria or Germany still, but I'm really interested if this video reaches some other guys and other regions. I'm really interested. So thanks for watching. These guys keep having ADHD as fuck, and hopefully we will see you in the next video. Thank you and bye.